Hi guys, we want to showcase the BPT plate today. It's from Bulletproof Technologies and the gentleman out here in Krugersdorp. The plate was donated by the gentleman over at Cerberus Tactical in Johannesburg, and we're going to fire a couple of rounds at it to see how it performs. The plate is a steel plate, a single curve plate with a spalling or anti-spalling cover on the outside with a material base, and the plate is rated at level 3 triple plus, which should comfortably handle 762 by 51. What we're going to do today is we're going to fire a couple of calibers at it, starting with 9mm 45. We're going to go over to 762 by 39, 762 by 51, and then finish it off with 762 by 54R. Cheers. First off, we're going to start off with a 124 grain jacketed full metal jacket, 9mm. I did catch it a little bit high. Zero deformation on the back. Spalling looks to have worked. It did tear a little bit through the spalling on the side of the material, but it's obviously showing that it's doing exactly what it's supposed to do. Let's move up to the 45. Next up, we're going to go with the 230 grain full metal jacket. That's a little bit better shot. You can see it hit it in the top right hand side here. Perfect penetration, zero deformation on the back. We can feel no deformation here. Spalling also held up really well. So let's step it up to the next. Okay guys, we're going to fire the 5.56 running a ball 55 grain. Let's have a look. You can see the penetration there, obviously a small little hole there. Zero deformation at the back that I can feel. Spalling also held up pretty well. It did ruffle a little bit in the front here, as you can see. Okay gents, right now we're going to move on to the 762 by 39 Barnell round. Lead core, jacketed. I'm going to run it through the Type 56. As you can see, that did hit with a little bit more punch. That did spall a bit, as you can see, as the jacket had spalled out. Round impacted there, and there I'm feeling a little bit of a bulge on the back of the plate, but zero penetration. Let's move up to the 308. Okay gents, we're going to move on to the NATO 762 by 51 ball, running it through a Remington 700. Here we have impact here. We can see spalling across the plate, obviously as it impacted. Surprisingly, there's not much deformation here whatsoever actually, but you can see the pattern here of the spalling, and I can actually feel that some of the spalling at the bottom has given way, but it's held up well. But now let's step up to the big boy. We're going to put a 762 by 54R right there, and let's see how she does. But so far so good. Okay gents, now moving up to the big boy. It needs to be noted that this plate is not rated for what we're about to fire at it. The plate is rated up to 762 by 51 NATO ball. We're about to fire a 762 by 54R into it. So not rated for this round. That's going to be interesting to see how she performs. There's our impact. Again, just very slight deformation at the back of the plate. And we're having a little bit of a spalling on the side, as you can see some of the jacket escaping. But again, very well performed against this plate. Bulletproof Technologies and Krugersdorp do a really good product. Highly recommended. Again, as you noticed previously, we started with 9mm up there. We went around the plate, 308, 762 by 54R, and she's done very well.